Hey guys, this is Fabio Gallo, and this video will show you my top 3 books list of April 2020. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But let's start. To the position number 3, I will include this book. It's called The Curve. This is one of my best books I read in all my life. If you like to think outside of the box and see the things from another angle, that's the book for you. Nicholas Lovell, the author of The Curve, explains how exists a new way of doing business and of seeing the world. In the digital age, everyone struggles to answer one single question: how do I get people to pay when so much is free? So this is the book, guys. To the number 2, I include The Edge Strategy of Alan Lewis and Dan McCone. This book offers a clear framework for identifying and leveraging opportunity from growth that can sometimes be hard to see. It will give you 3 lenses to look at the edge of the strategy. It will give you the lens of from a product angle, so how you can capture an incremental profit by slightly altering the elements of the composition of a core offering. The journey edge, so how to create extra value by adjusting your role in supporting the customer journey. The enterprise edge, how to unlock additional value from the resources and capabilities that support your core offering by applying them in a different context. That's my second recommendation for you. The position number 1 for this month, I will include this book that will change your life. Design Thinking for Strategic Innovation. Written by Idris Motu. This book will explain you how design thinking can bring about creative solutions to solve complex business problems. From real life example, it shows you how design thinking has been applied across different industry and context. And you will learn how to apply design thinking to your long-term planning. Why every future business leader needs to be a good design thinker, or how design thinking framework tailored to the right key challenges that businesses face. This is my top 3 book for April's recommendation. Give me yours. You can leave your comments down below. And if you like this video, leave the thumbs up. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive notification of my future videos. Ciao.